Hi, today we try to learn concepts of remainder and its application. Here we have a natural number when divided by 3 and our remainder is 28 and divided by 7 and our remainder is 54. When the same number divided by n, what would be the remainder? So, if we have remainder questions, we apply two concepts. One is Euclid lemma and its condition. Euclid lemma states that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the Euclid lemma. And its condition is divisor is always greater than remainder and remainder is always greater than or equal to 0 for a natural number. We use these two conditions. When number, say the natural number m is divided by 3n, assume the quotient is q, remainder is 28. When the same number divided by 7n with, say, the quotient is p, remainder is 54. First we have to write the numbers. Then the second thing, we rearrange this equation. N into 3q minus 7p is equal to 20. This 26 is nothing but the difference of the given remainders, 54 minus 28. By seeing this equation, we can say n is a factor of 26. So our first condition is n is a factor of 26 and 26 is nothing but the difference of given remainders. This is our first condition. Second condition is 3n is a divisor, remainder is 28, so 3n should be greater than 28. By this condition, 3n should be greater than 28. So n should be greater than 28 by 3. So being a natural number, we can say n should be greater than or equal to 10. Write another condition for this one. 7np plus 54. So the 54 is remainder and 7n is divisor. So 7n should be greater than 54. By this we can say n should be greater than 54 by 7, which is approx equal 7.71. Being a natural numbers, we can say n should be greater than or equal to 8. By merging three conditions, n is a factor of 26 and merging the condition n is greater than or equal to 10, greater than or equal to 8, so we can say n is finally greater than or equal to 10 and a factor of 26. If n is a factor of 26 greater than or equal to 10, so we have two values of n. One is 26, another is 13. We have to solve what would be the remainder when the natural number divided by n. We know 3n gives remainder 28. So when the number m divided by n, it would be 28 mod n. Or the m divided by 7n, our remainder is 54. When the same m is divided by n, remainder would be 54 divided by n. Our n is 26 or 13. 26 or 13. So 28 divided by either 26 or 13, remainder is 2. 54 divided by 26 or 13, remainder is 2. So there is no ambiguity. So our final answer is 2. We need to find number. Number condition 1. The condition for the number 1 is it should be factor of difference of remainders, the given remainders. Here it is 54 minus 28, that means 26. So our number or the divisor is factor of 26. Second condition is 3n gives remainder 28. So n should be greater than 28 by 3. For this, n should be greater than 54 by 7. By merging condition, we can say n should be greater than equal to 10 and the natural numbers. By this we have to find the values either 23 or 26 and have to divide the given remainders. 28 divided by 13 or 26, remainder is 2. 54 divided by 13 or 26, remainder is 2. So the final answer is 2 only. Factors of difference of remainders should be our divisors. Take the difference, find the factors. N should be the condition with greater than or equal to a natural numbers. Eliminate the rest of the factors, work on the given condition and find the answer. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me on Facebook. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thanks.